The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Camden County and southeastern Georgia, south central Glenn County and southeastern Georgia, until 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of Jekyll Island, or 14 miles northeast of Kings Bay Base, moving northwest at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Jekyll Island around 7:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Brunswick around 7:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.